Namaste, Sat Sri Akal, Kem Chu Kasakai. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Insight Generator. Power up your data insights. So, guys, I'm just right back with another videos, and in this video, we're gonna learn the custom columns in Power Query. So, we will discuss what is custom column first, right? So, I'm just going to get us started, guys. But before that, I would request you please like, share, subscribe my channel so that if I update any videos, you guys are not going to miss any updates. So in Power Query, a custom column is primarily refers to the features. It is one of the features in the Power Query that really enables any users to create a new columns into this existing table just by defining any custom expressions or any kind of calculations that really want to do that, right? So in order to see the live demonstrations, first we need to go to this Power Query editor mode. That is a data transformations engine, right? So for that, we need to click on this transform data, and finally we are on this Power Query editor mode. So guys, you can see we have extracted so many tables over here, but I'm just taking this product table for this example, right? And this product table contains the product related informations like product key, product subcategories, and so on. So likewise, we also have two more columns called product cost and the product price. Let's say, for example, you want to calculate the profit, right? So it's really very simple to calculate this profit, like product price minus this product cost, right? But I want a column of the profit, and how will you create that column of the profit, right? So under the add column, if you'll go, you see an options like add columns. Under this add column, you see the options custom columns, right? That we are just going to see by doing the live demonstration. So when you will click on the custom column, a window will pop up right in front of your screens. So first thing, you have to just give a name of the column that you are going to create here, right? So the name of the column that we are going to create is called profit, right? So here I'm just going to do the calculations. And how will you do the calculations? Let me move this pop-up window a little bit left side. So you will see you can calculate the profit just by subtracting this product cost from this product price. So here I need to first choose the column, right? Product price. So you see the product price column is now selected, right? But now I want to insert this product price column into this field. So once you click on the insert, this product price will be inserted here right now, if you can see that. Now I want to subtract the product cost from this product price. Now I'm just going to type minus. Now I have to insert this product cost. So when you will select this product cost column, now it is selected, but still the formula is not correct. We need to insert this column. So when you will click on this insert, now you can see this column has been inserted right now, and now the formula is absolutely correct. That's why it is showing as a green check. If this formula is not supposed to be the right, here it will show you some error, right? So this is how you can just verify your formula. Now I have just written a formula over here. When you will click OK, you will see by the end of this existing table, a new column will be created with the name profit, where you can see that, right? So when you will click OK, you see what is happening over here. Right now the new column profit has been created over here, and now you can also see the profit name here. The data type that you have to decide, this is what to say, this is a decimal number actually, right? Or you can also give it any data type, but since this is a numerical values, right? So we have to choose as a decimal numbers, because we have the profit in decimals like 21.9037, 21.6164, right? So you can see this profit column has been created using this features called custom column. So like this profit, you can create as much calculations, you can create as much columns as possible by doing some calculations and what to so deriving some expressions. So I think you guys are pretty much clear about this custom column. That's all for this videos, guys. Keep learning, keep growing, and please keep supporting me. See you in the next videos. Thank you so much.